Igbo kwenu, nne m ndị Igbo kwenu, Mbaise kwezonu unu dị mma unu mere ana. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be cooking oha soup the Mbaise way. As a proud Igbo woman, I was fortunate to learn the secrets of oha soup from an Mbaise woman. I assisted and watched her cook, and I'm here to recreate that magic. So relax, sit tight, feel free, off your shirt, let's get cooking. As usual, I'll be introducing the ingredients, starting with this. This is cocoyam, ede ofe. This is panla, roasted panla fish. As one we have our Mbaise, ogiri, and we have crayfish. We also have bonga fish. This is bonga fish. I don't cook my soup without bonga fish. I normally blend it with crayfish. Not crayfish. You're that. Cod, stockfish, cod. Like, don't just buy any kind of stockfish. Buy cod. I prepare ose and suka, yellow pepper, and osakurapo, ground pepper. This ground Cameroon pepper. Uwa and ya. These are my leaves. I have okazi leaf, nicely sliced. This is okazi leaf. In fact, this is the twist. This is the twist. But let me save it. I prepare fresh uziza leaf. And of course, we have our oha leaves. This is oha leaf. This is oha leaf. This is the reason we are here. Like, the whole soup is about oha leaf. And we have omo. This is cow skin. And of course, we have our azu asa, dried mangala asa fish. They call it asa fish, but this is different from the mangala version. This is azu asa. I have enough to give the soup a sweet and rich taste. This is assorted. It's already cooked. Let's say 80% cooked. Goat meat. You can't go wrong with goat meat. I don't know. I'm so in love with goat meat. Finally, I will salt and ogiri beke. Ogiri beke, the seasoning cube, and salt. Let's cook.
First, I washed and prepared the goat meat. Added a part of Knorr seasoning cube and salt with a little water to help marinate the goat meat. I let it steam in its own juice for 5 minutes before adding our 80% cooked afano assorted. Meanwhile, I prepared the stockfish and dry fish by soaking them in hot water for 5 minutes. This will help remove any impurities and make them easier to wash. Also, you want to start cooking your cocoyam at this point. I blended the ose and suka and set aside. Then I ground the crayfish and bonga fish together using my dry blender. Let's prepare our leaves. This uziza leaf, akuku uziza, you want to cut it very well. And for your oha, please pick it. We don't normally cut oha using knife. We just break it. Let's say break, or we just cut it with our hand. But for this one, I picked it. I didn't cut because the leaves are very tiny, so I didn't have to cut it further. Please be careful with your oha leaves. It's very delicate. Now our cocoyam is ready. I poured out the boiled water, added cold water to it, and then I peel off the back. In a blender, add your peeled cocoyam, palm oil, and ogiri. There are different types of cocoyam. You can buy the red cocoyam or this type depending on your location and what you can find. So you want to blend this and set aside. Now let's check on our meat. There is this Igbo adage that says Igwe bike. So our stockfish, azu asa, and pomo is the strength needed to, fortify this soup. Oporokai na azu asa, they will fortify the soup and make it very rich and delicious. So you want to blend your cocoyam smooth, add it to the stock and allow to boil Now let's bring everything together. You want to continually stir to reduce lumps, and also I added my smoked fish and crayfish at this point and allow to cook. Why I added it late is so as to preserve their flavor. As we wait for the soup to cook, I would like to know where you are from, like your state of origin. Please do me the favor of typing your state of origin in the comments. I added ukazi leaf and uziza leaf first just to release their flavors. Please, this is the step you shouldn't miss. I allowed it for 2 minutes before adding the oha leaf, and then I turn off the gas. Now your Mbaise version of oha soup is ready. Who else is excited? Who else is excited? Thanks for watching. If you want more recipes like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Den's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Now it's time for me to enjoy.